My child, have you noticed why your heart feels so restless the moment you compare yourself with another? It is because the light I placed in you was never meant to be measured by someone else's reflection. The moment you compare, you step out of your own song, and your soul feels out of tune. Do the stars compete with each other? No. They shine in their own place, their own timing, their own glow. A rose does not wish to be a lotus, nor does the river envy the ocean. Each carries its own beauty, its own fragrance, its own purpose given by me. My child, your peace is disturbed only when you forget who you are to me. You are not here to prove yourself or to outshine another. You are here to live the gift I placed in you. So when comparison whispers in your mind, pause, breathe, return to my presence. Remember, I made you with love, carefully, uniquely, intentionally. No other soul can walk your path, and no one can take your place in my heart. My child, you do not need to prove your worth by outshining another. You are already my joy, my creation, my light. Your place in my heart is eternal, and no one can take it away. Breathe. You are safe. You are loved. You are mine.